Welcome to Code Shopping.
Hi, in this video we are going to see LinkedIn app using MERN tag. So first we will see how to start the project. First open the MongoDB. Initially you have to click the connect. Here you can see your database. Click the DB name, you can view the collections. So collections can have the data. For example, if you want to see the user data, click the user collection. Here you can see the user details. Next go to the Visual Studio. Here you can open your project folder. Here we have backend and frontend folder. First export the backend. So backend can have the routers, models, middlewares and etc. So explore the model. Model is nothing but model can have the field names. For example, click the user model. Here you can see the user field names. Then explore the router. So router can have the get, put, post source code. Next go to the frontend folder and then explore the src components. Here you can see the React.js components files. Once you click the file name, you can view the source code. Next go to the readme text. Here you can see the steps for how to run the project and then you can see the login details. So now open the new terminal. Here we have to run the backend and frontend folder. So first run the backend. First go to the backend path. Now we have to install the node models. So copy the npm install and paste to the terminal. So I have been already installed, so I'm start the backend. So copy the npm start and paste to the terminal. Now the backend is running. Next run the frontend. Now copy the command npm run dev and paste to the terminal. Here you can see the project URL. Copy the URL and paste to the browser. So this is our project homepage. So multiple users can create their account and log in this app. So go to the join now. Here you can create your account. Just enter the name and email ID, password. The password should be in 6 letters. So once you fill, click the join button. So if you already have an account, you have to sign in. So I'm logging through Arun. So this is the Arun homepage. So first go to the visit your profile. Here you can see the profile details. So if you want to edit anything, you can do it here. Here you can add the experience, education and skills. Next go to the my network. Here you can see your connection request and then your connected people details. If you want to see your connected people profile details, you can see here. Or else if you want to remove the connection, you can do it here. Next go to the notification. Here you can see all the notifications. Here you can share your messages. So the message will be sent to your connected people only. Here Varun is the connected people. So go to the Varun login. So here you can receive the messages. Here you can make the conversation. And then you have to give the connection request here. So now I'm going to give the request for Priya. Now log in the Priya account. Here you can accept or reject the request. Now the Priya account is connected. So this is a LinkedIn app using MERN stack.
Code shopping.